How to buy Adobe Illustrator online. To get started, head down below this video and click on the link. This is going to take you across to the official Adobe website. Then we're going to head up to the top left-hand side, click on Creativity and Design, and under Featured Products, we're going to select Illustrator. Now that we're on the Adobe Illustrator homepage, we can look at all the amazing features that you get access to inside of Adobe Illustrator. For this video, all we want to do is buy Adobe Illustrator, so we're going to click on the Buy Now button. Then we're going to choose between individuals, business, students and teachers, and schools and universities. Most of us are going to be an individual purchasing Illustrator. And then we're going to choose between the Creative Cloud Pro and the Illustrator Only app. The Creative Cloud Pro is going to be your best value because you're going to get access to Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Adobe Acrobat, and Adobe Firefly, as well as Illustrator, which we want to get access to. And you're going to get 4,000 generative AI credits to use inside of all your Adobe apps. With Illustrator, you're just going to get access to the Illustrator Only app, so choose which one works best for you. We're going to go with the Creative Cloud Pro option. Click on that blue select button, and then we're going to choose a subscription. Now there's monthly, annual billed monthly, and annual prepaid. These prices might look a little bit different depending on when you're watching this video. If you're a high roller, you can do the annual prepaid option. For most of us, we're going to be choosing between the annual billed monthly and the monthly only option. Now the difference between these two, and the reason why the monthly only option is a little bit more expensive, is the annual billed monthly is cheaper, but there are fees that apply if you decide to cancel before the year ends, so before your 12 months is up. If you go with the monthly only option and you only want to use Illustrator for 2 or 3 months and then cancel, you can go with the monthly only option, but this is completely up to you. We're going to add a 1-month free trial of Adobe Stock, which gives you access to 10 free standard assets, because why not? You can always cancel it early if you don't want to continue with Adobe Stock. Then click on the blue continue button. Then I want you to check that all the options here are correct, and check the amount that is due now is what you have decided to go with, and then just check when the 1-month free trial for Adobe Stock ends, so your date will be down the bottom here, and if you want to continue with it, how much will be charged or added on to your subscription. Once we've done that, we're going to enter our email address and click on the blue continue button. Then we're going to enter our payment details. Once you've completed this, the Creative Cloud app will start downloading on your Mac or your PC, and then you can download Illustrator from inside the Creative Cloud app. If you get stuck anywhere along the way, or if you have any questions about how to buy Adobe Illustrator online, please let us know in the comment section down below and we'll be happy to help you out. We hope you enjoy Illustrator as much as we do.